Hey, what's going on? It's LTC and Missy here coming at you with another video. And today I want to talk about why you should consider owning a Bitcoin or Ethereum ETF in your investment portfolio. So before I get going, you should take the time out to read the disclaimer at the beginning of this video to understand what's going on in this channel at all times. If you did not do that, please go back and do so that way we're on the same page. So that said, let's get into this video. So I am invested into BITO or the ProShares Bitcoin ETF. You can see that right now the price is going for $19.27 per share. And this right here is not only an opportunity to grow your portfolio value or your holding value, but also you can earn dividends with this ETF. And this is the first ETF that was listed in the stock market. And this was listed back on October the 18th of 2021. Okay. And so now let's go over here to the BITO portfolio itself. So it's not much of a portfolio because it's just in Bitcoin holdings, right? So that's obvious. But it was the first US Bitcoin linked ETF. Familiarity, liquidity, transparency of an ETF available through a brokerage account. No need for a cryptocurrency exchange account or wallet. And this right here is big because now it allows these traditional investors to be able to invest to Bitcoin without having to manage Bitcoin themselves. As all of us cryptocurrency investors know, it can be more risky to hold your own cryptocurrency rather than just allowing someone else to manage it for you, such as ProShares, BlackRock, Vanguard, VanEck, and everything like that, right? Those companies now all have ETFs listed on the stock exchange. Although those are not paying dividends, this one is paying dividends. Okay, but it now allows traditional brokers to get access to Bitcoin in a way that they did not feel comfortable doing before. And that's the reason why you probably want to pay attention to this, right along with the fact that we're on the cusp of another bull run in the cryptocurrency market. And they're predicting Bitcoin to go up. This is current price of Bitcoin right now, $67,874. And they're predicting it to get up to $200,000 to $300,000 during this next bull run. Will it happen? I don't know. But we all know what happens with Bitcoin when after the halving that happened earlier this year, and the halving happens every 4 years. And sometime in the month of October, the bull run starts for Bitcoin, and it literally surges a whole lot. Like the last time, the high was like $19,000, and then at the Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin shot all the way up to almost $70,000 as a high before the bearish market came. So now you look at got a truck coming by the window. So got construction work going on right here. So if you heard that, that's what you heard, the truck. So now you look at the price where Bitcoin is at right now, and just imagine what it can do during this next bull run. And the fact of the matter is that you're investing into an ETF that can move in a way that other ETFs, REITs, stocks, all that stuff, they will not move, right? And just look at what the ETF has been doing. This is on the hourly chart. Let's go to the daily one. Look at what it's been doing. There's a lot of potential for people to even trade this. If you want to do options trading with BITO, there's opportunities to trade this as well in the options market. So I just want to go over this, and I'm not gonna make this video too long, but when you come over here to the Snowball Analytics, which this is a tool that I use to manage my portfolio, help me manage my portfolio. You can find a link in the description of this video, and you can find a comment with the link to my website that you can go and find the Snowball Analytics link as well. Okay, that's it. I pay monthly for this. You can pay yearly or you pay monthly, depending on what service you want. All right, they got different packages. So when you come right here, you can see that it got a dividend yield of 58.69%. Right now, it's scheduled to pay out $11.34 per year. That could change because we still got November and December to come up for dividend payments. All right, and you can see how much I have in holdings right now, and pretty much that I'm up. And just imagine if I've gotten to this earlier in the year, because when you come over here and look at the yearly chart, let's say let's go to the yearly chart. So you come over to the yearly chart. When it first launched, it dropped because it opened up during that bearish market, and now it's been coming right back up. They missing a bar right here, so Yeah, because this opened up back in 2021. So 2021, 2022, that's 23. This should be up here showing 2024, which it does have a red line right here, but it's been Bitcoin's been bouncing back up, and it's been the highest performing asset of everything in the markets. Period. You know, outperforming gold, is outperforming S&P 500, Nasdaq, everything. It's by far the number one performing asset there is in the market. And if I would have gotten to this earlier this year, I could have been up probably like maybe 30% in my account. Who knows? But anyways, get back over here, and you can check out the dividends. It's paying out, you know, around, you know, like over $1 on average, $1.20 or $1.30 per month on average. And you know, so it's been increasing, and they've been paying out. Let me see, when did the first dividend get paid out? Got paid out in January of last year, and that was for over 14 cents, almost 15 cents. And then you see what they've been able to do ever since then. As more and more money is coming to Bitcoin, they've been able to increase their dividend payout. And so now you get right here to this year, you can see how they was able to jump it up in the dividend payouts. So I'm not saying that's going to continue that way, but if you got so much money coming to the Bitcoin cryptocurrency, whether it's an ETF or the current coin itself, why not try to you know, get and take advantage of this opportunity for growing your portfolio with Bitcoin, whether it's in the cryptocurrency market or in the stock market itself with the ETFs. So I just choose to go with this because it is cheaper. When you look at even like BlackRock, let me see, was it IBIT? The BlackRock ETF, it's going for $30.58. Just launched this year. Look at what that's doing. So if you got in, I was holding this before, but since it's not paying out in dividends, I just left it alone with Bito, because I'm like, hey, this ETF has already been around for a long time, and it's paying out dividends, so why not? So that right there is all that I wanted to talk about in this video, going over opportunity that you may want to look into. Not financial advice or anything like that, but you know, it is an opportunity nonetheless to look into, opportunity to grow your portfolio in a way. I don't know what's going on here. That's on the minute chart. Let's go to hour chart. There we go. In a way that you probably didn't consider before, because there are not too many people talking about Bitcoin ETFs. And you know, me coming from the cryptocurrency space, I understand the potential that you can pretty much take advantage of if you were to invest to Bitcoin in some kind of way. So that's all to say. If you like what you heard, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to share this video with other people. If you're interested in joining Webull, you can create your account using my link that's in the description of this video as well. You can find a link in the comment that goes to my website to find a link to Webull. If you make a certain amount of money in deposit, you can get free shares as well, up to 75 free shares, stocks. Okay, so that right there is all to say. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time in this video. Take care, everyone.